notita, güerimo, vitilo. No te eres pa' ahora, cantilo. Para.
Mabuhay! I'm Raphael. My family and closest friends call me El. Surname, Saguan, the Filipino term for paddle. I came up with an idea of sharing our expeditions and experiences through this channel. We have a long-standing family tradition of traveling every year. Come fly with us as we explore parts of the globe, one city at a time. After our expedition in the underrated country of Azerbaijan, our next destination is the low-key Western European country, Georgia. Today is an extra windy day in the Georgian capital, Tbilisi, which added a more fun experience for all of us. The cold spring breeze complemented our itinerary as we first visited Javari Monastery. Georgia was one of the first countries in the world to declare Orthodox Christianity as its state religion. With that, majority of its spots are focused on churches, monasteries, and other religious places. Javari Monastery is one of the most historical and iconic ancient temple in Georgia. Located in a hilltop with a view of Mashkata, the country's former capital, the monastery is considered as one of the most sacred places in the entire Caucasus region. It is believed that Saint Nino erected the wooden cross in this very exact spot way back in the 4th century, sparking the Christianization of the Georgian region. Unfortunately, filming inside is prohibited, but one thing that makes this monastery stand out is its architecture. Aside from faith, it is visited by many each year to simply admire its form and its architectural preservation. Today's next stop is the Svetitskveli Cathedral.
Alam mo ba paano sabihin ng Mashketa? Ikaw daw? Mashketa. Mashketa. We're in Mashketa.
Believed to be the burial site of Christ's robe. This UNESCO World Heritage Site served as the coronation and burial site of Georgian monarchs. Today, you can visit the tombs of the country's last kings. It also holds holy relics such as the mantle of Prophet Elijah and some relics of Saint Andrew. Inside are preserved centuries-old paintings dating back to the 19th century. The most dominant is the painting of Christ, located right at the back of the altar. As this is a sacred place of worship, women are required to cover their heads when entering the cathedral. Outside of the cathedral are cafes and shops, perfect for souvenir shopping.
It's so cold and windy today. We're at Mashketa. It is the former capital of Georgia before it was Tbilisi.
The timing of our visit is impeccable, as we were able to witness the ringing of the bells while exploring this beautiful place. If England has Stonehenge, Georgia has the Chronicles of Georgia. This massive monument is a symbol of 3,000 years of Georgian statehood and 2,000 years of Christianity. Climbing up rewards its goers with a clear panoramic view of Tbilisi and the Tbilisi Sea. Aside from the views, the sculpture summarizes the rich history of Georgia, featuring columns depicting different aspects of the country. These massive work features important monarchs, stories and scenes in the life of Jesus Christ, and it also features surrounding areas in honor of Saint Pino and places of prayer. What made our visit here more fun are the strong gusts of wind. The wind added an extra layer of the experience as we tried to stay stable despite its strong force while appreciating the details of the sculpture.
So windy, Georgia!
After taking lots of photos, it's time for us to visit the Holy Trinity Church. This cathedral is the main Georgian Orthodox Church in Tbilisi. Its most distinct feature is its golden dome, rising nearly 100 meters, making it one of the largest and tallest Orthodox cathedrals in the world. Its golden dome can be seen from anywhere in Tbilisi, the same way you can see the Sagrada La Familia in all of Barcelona. Outside of the prominent cathedral offers wide courtyards and parks, a perfect spot for serenity. Did you know that Georgia is the birthplace of wine? We did a tour in the winery region in Georgia, but I'll talk about it in a separate video. That's why it is so common to see wine-flavored soft serve along the street on our way to the clock tower. Quick review, it's more wine than ice cream. I did not like it, but you might. Just a walking distance from the Holy Trinity Church is the clock tower. Seeing it in person felt like we entered a Disneyland park. We'll come here to see this angel ring a bell, signifying what time it is of the day. The clock tower became famous for its crooked structure too, creating an ambience in fairy tales and stories. Connecting the old town Tbilisi to Rick Park over the Kura River is the famous pedestrian bridge, the Bridge of Peace. This iconic structure symbolizes peace by creating a safe space to have the perfect view of some of the city's famous landmarks, such as the Mateki Church, the Mother of Georgia, and many more. At the other end of the bridge is the vibrant Ricky Park, offering perfectly manicured gardens and playful water fountains. Being here is the perfect way to end a full day of exploring Tbilisi. Since everyone was tired for the day, We opted to have a quick visit of the sulfur baths before heading back to our hotel. What makes Tbilisi unique is its perfect blend of rich history, European architecture, and its laid-back and relaxed culture. We ended the day with the yummiest gelato in all of Georgia in Luca Polari. We were so lucky that this spot sits right across our hotel. Perfect for slow afternoons watching life unfold in one of Tbilisi's busiest districts.